StyleWithPnj. Today we have the Barake girls baking a yogurt cake. And the recipe is gotten from pattyg'scakes. Follow her on YouTube. Today we have the ingredients we're making the cake with are sugar, flour, yogurt, baking powder, nutmeg, eggs, and vegetable oil, and the mixer, and oil. And we are making a yogurt cake step by step as we're baking the cake. The yogurt cup is going to be used for all the measurements. We measure 1 cup of sugar. Now we measure 1 cup of oil. Now we're adding 3 cups of flour. Now we add 3 eggs. Now we add 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Now we add 1 teaspoon of the nutmeg. And now it's the mixing time. Can you? Come on. Now I'm going to ask my mom to preheat the oven up to 350 and I'm going to spray the baking pan. Now I pour the mixture into the baking pan.
Go.
After we put the mixture into our baking pan, we are going to wash our hands now. dry our hands. See you after 40 minutes. Hope the cake turns out good. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment to StyleWithPnj, and follow pattyg'scakes on YouTube. Bye. Bye, everyone. And now we're gonna put the cake in the oven. Now I put the cake in the oven. My mom's gonna close the oven.